This question number 7, and in question number 7 we are asked to find the time for which $1,250 will amount to $2,031.25 at 12.5% per annum simple interest. We are asked to find the time. Is it going to be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or what? Or 5 years? Now, what are we given? We are given the amount, we are given the time, we are not given the time, we are given the amount, we are given the amount, which is this, we are given the sum, which is the original sum, the principal, and then we are given the rate. Now, when solving questions on mathematics like this, the first thing you ask yourself is, what am I given and what am I required to look for? Now, formula that our amount is equal to principal plus what? Plus the interest. Now, this is the interest. Now, in simple interest is equal to the principal rate times the what? Time. And the rate is in percentage, which will be over what? 100. So we are going to replace this interest with what? Principal rate times time. So we'll have our A to be equal to P plus principal rate times what? Time. Our rate is going to be in percentage, which is what? 100. Now, what do we need? We already find our rate and our time coming into this expression. So we'll make the T the subject of formula. Remember,